Welcome, today in front of me is Samsung Galaxy M23 and I'll show you how to turn on always on display feature on this device. So we'll do this with the help of the Muviz Edge application, because unfortunately we have no installed by default the AOD feature on our Samsung Galaxy. So we should go into the Play Store application, and here in the search we'll enter the Muviz Edge. And now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while the application downloading and installing on your device. After that, just open the app here and click here to draw our apps. Now just here find the Muviz Edge application and click here once on the switcher and go back here to the application. Click here to the AOD and select one from this always on display tab, apply one from this tab, and here click to the settings, tap to always on display and be sure that this switcher is turned on. And now we'll check our device lock screen, and as can you see, we just successfully turned on the AOD feature on our Samsung Galaxy M23. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.